Welcome back to Secret Squirrel Garage. Here's a short video on how to rebuild the Buick Grand National catalytic converter exhaust hanger. This is a kit that will be out soon. Just requires some simple tools, a drill with a 3/8 bit, 3/16 punch and a hammer, and 7/16 socket and ratchet setup, and a 7/16 wrench. You don't necessarily need a vise to do this in. It's just going to be a little bit easier for me to put it in here and try and actually film it. Don't drill all the way through. You just need to drill enough to actually be able to break the rivet. As you can see, you drill it down till the base is almost off. And there we go. It's off. You can drill through. You can see that's off. This piece is from the other side of the upper piece. You can see these will be still too big to go through just sitting them. Punch those through. All of these will be gone. Now, my suggestion would be that all of these pieces, I'd get them powder coated. It'll look a lot nicer. A lot of times these have really bad pitting in them. Or you can just clean them up and spray them also if you want. Now, let me get set up here and I'll show you how to put this together. I don't have a powder coated one, so we'll just put this one back together and I can pull it apart and powder coat it later. All right, now that you've got everything back from powder coating or painting, whatever you want to do, let's just get everything together. I'm going to take larger washers, put it on the bottom, smaller washers onto the longer bolts. Take your bottom piece, take your rubber strap, put it through the bottom, bring it up, another one of your larger washers. We'll just put that on hand tight for now. Now you'll take the small metal bracket, run two longer bolts through, run it through one side of the rubber strapping, pretty stiff, so it takes just a little bit. Now take your other bracket, make sure you're putting it on right. Small washer, small washer. Put your nuts on. Tighten it down until it's good and snug. And there'll be a torque spec in the kit. Along with, I've got some better hardware coming that'll be in with the kit. All right. There you have it. All done. Ready to bolt in. Many more years of service. Please like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Secret Squirrel G. The kit should be out sometime in February, March, and always have a blessed day.